How to hide post on Instagram. Hey guys, in today's video I'll show you step by step on how to do it. After you open up your Instagram app like this, now tap on your profile at the bottom right side. After you open up your profile like this, as you can see now I have post on my Instagram that I want to make it private, so this one. So open up the post like this. After you open the post, now tap on this three dot at the top right side. After you tap on this three dot, now tap on this which says archive this session. Tap on this archive. So as you can see now, if I tap on this back arrow at the top, now as you can see now, I hide the post on my Instagram profile and on Instagram at all. So no one can be able now to see the post, and I make the post now private. So now if you want to see the post and make it public, tap on this three dot at the top right side. After you tap on this three dot, now tap on this archive section. If you come to this archive, as you can see now, by default you will see it like this. As you can see now, it shows story archive by default. So tap on this story archive and change it to post archive. So in this post archive, now I can be able to see the post. Here is it now. So now if you want to make it public, all you have to do now, after you open it like this, now tap on this three dot and tap on this show on profile. So now everyone can be able to see the post on my Instagram account. That's it guys, on how to make post private on Instagram. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching guys.